Welcome back to RG Creation YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about ChatGPT, so let's start video. ChatGPT can be used to create YouTube videos in a few different ways. One way is to use it to generate scripts for your videos. You can simply give ChatGPT a topic and it will generate a script for you, complete with dialogue, narration, and even timestamps. You can then use the script to create your video. Another way to use ChatGPT for YouTube videos is to use it to generate ideas for your videos. If you're stuck on what to make a video about, you can ask ChatGPT for ideas. It can generate a list of topics that are relevant to your channel and that you might be interested in making a video about. You can also use ChatGPT to create transcripts for your videos. This can be helpful if you want to add captions to your videos or if you want to create a blog post or article based on your video content. Finally, you can use ChatGPT to generate voiceovers for your videos. This can be helpful if you don't want to do your own voiceover or if you want to add a different voice to your video. Here are some of the benefits of using ChatGPT for YouTube videos. It can help you save time by generating scripts, ideas, transcripts, and voiceovers for your videos. It can help you create more engaging and informative videos by providing you with high-quality content. It can help you reach a wider audience by making your videos more accessible to people who speak different languages or who have hearing impairments. Here are some of the limitations of using ChatGPT for YouTube videos. The quality of the content generated by ChatGPT can vary depending on the topic. ChatGPT is not always able to generate content that is 100% accurate or original. It is important to proofread and edit the content generated by ChatGPT before using it in your videos. Overall, ChatGPT can be a useful tool for creating YouTube videos. However, it is important to use it in conjunction with other tools and techniques to ensure that your videos are high quality and engaging. Here are some additional tips for using ChatGPT for YouTube videos. Be specific when you give ChatGPT a topic. The more specific you are, the better the content it will generate. Provide ChatGPT with examples of the kind of content you want it to generate. This will help it to understand what you are looking for. Be patient. It may take ChatGPT a few tries to generate the content you are looking for. Don't be afraid to edit and improve the content generated by ChatGPT. This will help to ensure that it is accurate, original, and engaging. This is today's video. Are you like my video? Please click on like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.